National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pinehurst to near Cypress to near Addicks Park 10 to near Eldridge West Oaks to near Cinco Ranch, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for the Houston metro area. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include northwestern Pasadena, northeastern Sugar Land, northern Missouri City, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, Humboldt, West University Place, Galena Park, Tomball, Jacinto City, Jersey Village, Hunter, Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Cloverleaf, downtown Houston, Greenway/Upper Kirby area, Kingwood, and Spring Branch North. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Addicks Park 10, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Branch West, Spring Branch North, Addicks Park 10, Spring Valley, Hedwig Village, and Hillshire Village around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Afton Oaks River Oaks area, Greater Heights, Memorial Park, Acres Home, Sharpstown, Greater Uptown, and Lazy Rock Timber Grove around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bel Air, West University Place, Northtown Montrose, Greenway, Upper Kirby area, Southern No Place, Southside Place, the Galleria, Gulfton, and Brentwood around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Astrodome area, McGregor, near Northside Houston, Downtown Houston, Midtown Houston, 4th Ward, Greater 5th Ward, Greater Eastwood, 2nd Ward, and Greater 3rd Ward around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sunnyside, Houston Gardens, Central Southwest, Gulf Gate Riverview/Pine Valley, Denver Harbor Port Houston, and East X Jensen area around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pleasantville area around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight